Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your Steam application. Okay. Once it loads, okay, I would like for you to know that both accounts must be in the same Steam store region. For example, your friends from the Philippines, well, make sure that you are from the Philippines as well. If you're friends from the US, well, make sure that you're from the US as well. Okay, so once that's checked, the most successful method, okay, that will work, okay, is go ahead and log into that specific host's account. Okay, let's say your friend would like to invite you to a family. Okay, so log in to his or her account. Click on the plus sign right here, add an account. For example, this one right here is my friend's account. I'm going to log into my friend's account. So once you're logged in to your friend's account, go ahead over to Steam right here at the top left, click on settings. Now go ahead and go to family. Now go ahead and manage your Steam family right here. Now just go ahead and invite a member. Okay, invite a member, add in yourself, and invite as an adult. Okay, and once that's done, you'll be able to see an invite pending right here. So what you're going to do next is just go ahead and log into your own account, accept the invitation, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you fix this error where it says failed to accept family invite on Steam. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.